The Melodika SBCX is a coaxial cable from the Melodika Sky Blue series. Although it looks similar to a standard RCA cable, it serves a different purpose. It is designed for transmitting a raw digital signal, enabling direct data exchange between devices without unnecessary analog conversion in the signal path. Its construction is based on geometry specific to digital transmission. The conductor is a single solid copper core with a 1.05 square millimeters cross-section. Signal stability is ensured by a precision dielectric and dual-layer shielding made of Mylar foil and a dense copper braid with over 92% coverage. This effective barrier protects against interference and allows stable transmission over distances of up to 25 meters. In digital audio, maintaining a constant 75 ohm impedance is essential. Even small deviations in the S/PDIF standard can cause timing errors known as jitter, which may result in audible sound degradation. By preserving strict impedance consistency, the Melodika SBCX performs reliably where ordinary analog cables are not suitable. The cable is terminated with 24-karat gold-plated metal connectors designed for a tight fit. Silver-infused solder improves conductivity at the contact point and prevents cold joints, while PTFE insulation ensures thermal stability and long-term durability. The Melodika SBCX is a solid coaxial cable built to provide stable, interference-free performance for years to come.